What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm meeting up with some homies at the Porsche meet. I used to always go to these, but dude, it's been a minute. So as you guys can tell, I haven't filmed a video with people in a minute, bro. I've just been work, grind, and then I'd rather just film alone because it's so much easier. Dude, I'm be real, bro. This car, I don't know what it is. It's fun, man. It's fun. I think the way it just drives is just so fun, even though it's just so unstable when it comes down to like grip. But yeah, man, it's been a minute. I'm happy to finally be meeting up with the homies again. Like I said, bro, just another weekend. Time just be flying every freaking weekend, man. Oh yeah. It's just crazy, boys, because I'm gonna be real. You get used to these cars a little bit. They're fun, obviously. But I just can't believe I used to dream. I used to like literally drive to work watching Hellcat videos. And dude, I used to like dream like about having a Hellcat while I'm driving, dude. It's crazy, man. Same with the M5, bro. And oh, Lambo Huracan, it looks so good, bro. And I love how they're getting like not affordable, but oh yeah. All you guys are grinding, man. Like I said, boys, keep putting God first, man, because you never know when your last day is. But do that and work hard, bro. I'm gonna be honest, bro. If you guys are depressed or whatever, and you're in America, I'm gonna be honest, bro. You gotta work more, man, because you don't. When you work your butt off, you don't have time to feel depressed. For one, because you don't have enough time, and plus, when you work, bro, you build purpose. That's why you have to find, like, it's not even about what you exactly like. Obviously, you gotta enjoy what you do, but a job's a job, bro. It's gonna be hard either way, you know. Like if you can learn to enjoy a job that sucks, but it has a good path, and there's like a, you know, there's a big learning curve, and it can build a great future for yourself, then, bro, it's worth it. It's freaking worth it. My job, like, for a normal person, they probably would say it sucked, but I love it. I love how it's hard. Honestly, it's actually crazy how it's like that. I actually enjoy the struggle because I know nobody else wants to do this. So I legit like give myself reassurance knowing that nobody else wants to do this. Brought the Hellcat today. I would want to bring the M5, but the M5 is just not. It's not as aura, bro. When you're driving down the street, M5 is Hellcat's way more aura. Bro, the lineup, oh, the SVJ, dude, nah, that's the move, bro. STO goes crazy. That Ferrari, that's my homie's Ferrari, freaking tuned to 1,000 after 1,100, dude. It's freaking amazing. Holy, bro. Oh my. Okay. gosh. Bro, his car sounded, dude, that sounds way crazier than mine. And I can smell the corn too. I need a tuner, bro. Holy moly. Holy. His car sounds way crazier. I need to tune it for real. Oh my gosh, dude. Nah, dude. I love this thing. And Huracans, they sound good, bro, but I need something twin turbo. NA is just not it, bro. It's too limited. Downshift sounds so good, and I love how it's quick too. Just when transmission's quick, dude, it sounds so much better. Nah, bro, come on. Every red light, bro. I'm hitting every red light. Oh my gosh! Nah, this car is so fun. Yeah, today was a good day, bro. We went to the Porsche meet. It's good vibes, you know. I need to start going there every freaking month and make videos, because I'm making videos anyways. Might as well make videos going to the meet. I need to film more of the meet, but dude, SVJs, man. Dude, if I ever get an SVJ, I'll film so many freaking POVs, man. I wanted to film more yesterday, bro, but it was so hot. And then by the time it was sunset, bro, I was in the skate park. I was chilling yesterday. Like, I love the week because I can make money and make a living. And, you know, when you make money, it feels good, bro. You can reward yourself. You can buy stuff. But on weekends, bro, I use those weekends. I use weekends to really relax. But I'm just happy I don't look forward to the weekend. But when it comes, bro, I'm relaxed, man. So I'm meeting up with some homies. So I'm gonna start trying making videos, just meeting up with friends, because I mean, driving alone is obviously way easier and stuff, and it's more often. But basically, I meet up with the homie that has a twin turbo Lambo, and the homie has a 720S, and then the other one has a Technica, and I'm the only one, and pretty much the only guys that has a regular car. So we need to level up, boys. We need to level up. Definitely having friends that have nice cars. Oh, police. Oh, no, that's a motorcycle one too. Nah, bro, motorcycle cops freak me out, bro. Nah. But anyways, yeah, having friends with Lambos, bro, definitely pushes you. But if you have nothing to work towards, it's you only can push yourself so far, you know? Like with me, I pushed myself to, like, honestly, I could have afforded a Lambo, a 720S when I worked for my previous employer. But I could have definitely got a 720S from my previous employer when I was working for them. Because honestly, bro, you can make enough money working for somebody. You have to just put your money in the right places. So that's literally it. Like, knowing a skill and starting a business, bro, good luck. I mean, most businesses fail in the first 5 years. So if you can be positive in the first year, bro, you're literally beating, like, it's very rare. So, like, you know, business is not what everyone thinks it is. You know, there's grind. But if your parents or someone has a business already and they built it up, that's a different story. So I'll give you an example, man. Like when I work, I don't want to say how much I make, because there's so many people that have watched my videos from my previous employer and all that good stuff. But let's say you make around 150K, right? After taxes, 110K in the single year. Let's say you live with parents. Now you made pretty much 110K cash almost, right? After food, 90K. 90K, bro, cash in a single year is good. That means that in 4 years you can get about like 350K cash. That's, bro. I was working for my previous employer for like 5 years, and like I should have that much money cash, which I pretty much did. That's why I bought these cars. That's why I bought investments. That's why I chose to enjoy my life, just because I had different plans. And honestly, the investments is what really paid off, especially dividend stocks, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I'm not giving you any financial advice. I'm just talking about like what I hear about. It's fire. Dividend stocks, especially tax-free bonds. That's the craziest one I just learned about. So I'm looking into that right now, and obviously with interest rates dropping, not really looking too deep into it right now. But once things settle down, yeah, I'm definitely looking into bonds, bro. Boys, imagine like an 812 Ferrari right now, straight piped, SVJ, just doing POVs like on a daily. Oh my gosh, dude! What I can't believe, boys, is like, for real. What I can't believe is how I've been uploading the same thing, and you guys are watching it. People, I mean, obviously people are gonna watch it, right? It's a Hellcat, it's an M5. I mean, there's nothing else other than a Hellcat Redeye. Next is like Demon 170, which, you know, if I can